Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's video, we'll be learning Hebrew through sentences. This method not only helps you expand your vocabulary, but also gives you a deeper understanding of the language structure, just like how children naturally learn to speak. So, without further ado, let's begin. To say, I'm going home, as a male, say, אני הולך הביתה. אני, I, הולך, am going, singular male, הביתה, to home. And as a female, say, אני הולכת הביתה. To say, she is buying bread, say, היא קונה לחם. He, she, קונה is buying, singular female, לחם, bread. To ask, what are you doing today, when speaking to a male, say, מה אתה עושה היום? מה, what, אתה, you are, singular male, עושה, doing, singular male, היום, today. And to ask, what are you doing today, when speaking to a female, say, מה את עושה היום? מה, what, את, you, singular female, עושה, doing, singular female, היום, today. To say, I want to buy flowers, as a male, say, אני רוצה לקנות פרחים. אני, I, רוצה, want, singular male, לקנות, to buy, פרחים, flowers. And as a female, say, אני רוצה לקנות פרחים. To say, I have work tomorrow, say, יש לי עבודה מחר. יש, there is, לי, to me, עבודה, work, מחר, tomorrow. To say, they are traveling to Europe, say, הם נוסעים לאירופה. הם, they, males or a mixed group. נוסעים are traveling, plural males or a mixed group, לאירופה, to Europe. To say, he is eating fruits, say, הוא אוכל פירות. הוא, he, אוכל is eating, singular male, פירות, fruits. To say, I need to buy milk, as a male, say, אני צריך לקנות חלב. אני, I, צריך, need, singular male, לקנות, to buy, חלב, milk. And as a female, say, אני צריכה לקנות חלב. To say, I'm reading a good book, as a male, say, אני קורא ספר טוב. אני, I, קורא, reading, singular male, ספר, book, טוב, good, singular male. And as a female, say, אני קוראת ספר טוב. To say, I love to cook, as a male, say, אני אוהב לבשל. אני, I, אוהב, love, singular male, לבשל, to cook. And as a female, say, אני אוהבת לבשל. Now, if someone is bothering you and you want to say, leave me alone, when speaking to a male, say, תעזוב אותי. תעזוב, you will leave, singular male, אותי, me. And if you're speaking to a female, say, תעזבי אותי. תעזבי, you will leave, singular female, אותי, me. To say, I like to read in bed, as a male, say, אני אוהב לקרוא במיטה. אני, I, אוהב, love, singular male, לקרוא, to read, במיטה, in the bed. And as a female, say, אני אוהבת לקרוא במיטה. To say, it will be alright. Say, יהיה בסדר. יהיה, it will be, singular male, בסדר, alright. To say, I have a birthday next week, say, יש לי יום הולדת בשבוע הבא. יש, there is, לי, to me, יום הולדת, birthday, בשבוע, in the week, הבא, the next, singular male. To say, I exercise every morning, as a male, say, אני מתעמל כל בוקר. אני, I, מתעמל, exercise, singular male, כל, every, בוקר, morning. And as a female, say, אני מתעמלת כל בוקר. To say, we are going to a party, as males or as a mixed group, say, אנחנו הולכים למסיבה. אנחנו, we, הולכים, going, plural males, למסיבה, to a party. To say, I have a dream, say, יש לי חלום. יש, there is, לי, to me, חלום, a dream. To ask, what is your favorite sport? When speaking to a male, say, מה הספורט האהוב עליך? מה, what, הספורט, the sport, האהוב, the loved, עליך, on you, singular male. And together the combination האהוב עליך means your favorite when speaking to a male. And when speaking to a female, ask מה הספורט האהוב עלייך? If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.